Hi guys, this is Agels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade turmeric soap. I saw this homemade on TikTok, guys. So I want to get rid of this dark spots. You guys, they irritate me. So I'm going to try to do this turmeric soap just to get rid of this dark spots so that I'll brighten my skin and then I'll glow. So yeah. What I'm going to need is this turmeric powder. I'll need this turmeric powder, and then I will need this pure soap, the glycerin soap. I bought it 25 rand, please guys, as you can see on the small clip. It's very affordable. I bought it 25 rand, so you can go and get one for yourself and try this remedy so that guys will glow. Yo guys, us ladies, yo, hi, we suffer for you to glow. Also, I'll need this honey, guys. That's my honey. And then I'll need this lemon juice. So, and then also I'll need this empty container. This one I'll use it to melt my soap when I'm putting it in the microwave. So guys, yeah, to all those who are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel at home, guys. Feel at home. I hope you stay. I hope you like and enjoy my video. For all those who have been there for me from day one, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Without you, I don't know where will I be, guys. I thank you so much for your support. Thank you for showing me some love, guys. I really appreciate. And now guess what, we are running to 300. Yeah, we are on our way to 300 subscribers. I can't wait, guys, to reach 300, but I know one day is one day. So as you can see here, I'm cutting my soap into small pieces so that I'll melt it. So yeah, don't need to cut the way I did. You can cut it in your own way, the way you like. So, and then that's when I'm using this empty container. I'm putting my soap inside so that I'll melt it. Yo, if you want to glow, you go through a lot as ladies. Yo, yeah, we have seen it all. So yeah, I just I'm removing it from microwave. I did put it for how many minutes? I forgot. I'll write here down on the screen. So as you can see now, my soap has melted, and then now I'm adding my turmeric powder. I did add two spoons of turmeric powder. Yeah, if you like, you can add one. Mina, I did add two. Because you know this thing of putting mask, sometimes you forget, sometimes you're tired, you're not in the mood of putting your face mask. So I prefer this one. I think it's better. And then here I'm adding my honey. Yeah, I'm adding my honey. So yeah, I think this one will do because obvious I do wash my face every day. So I think it's an easy one. Because sometimes I do forget to put face mask, you see. So it is what it is, guys. And then after this honey, I'll add my lemon juice. I add my lemon juice in the mixture. Any lemon juice of your choice. Mina, I found this one in the shop, so that's why I'm using this one. So again, I used 2 spoons. I used two spoons for each. So now you can use as either one or two. It's absolutely where you want to mix your mixture. So after I make sure I mix it very well so that it mixes it. Yeah, I mix it very well so that's yeah. And then here I'm using these 2 lids. I didn't have those plastic what, so I decided to use these 2 lids of my Vaseline for my hair food so that I'll mold my soap. Yeah. So you can use whatever you have so that you can mold your soap. Mina, I used these 2 lids, guys, to mold my soap. So yeah, use what you have in the house. So after this, I'll make sure I put it in the fridge, guys. So yeah, after this part, after putting it in these 2 lids, I then store it in the fridge. It was almost an hour. Yeah, I just forgot it for an hour in the fridge, so that it will mold nicely. Wow, I did it, guys. I can't wait to use this soap. I can't wait. So yeah, that's me here on day 2. I'm trying this 2 weeks challenge for my face. I want to try it because I saw this thing on TikTok, guys. You know TikTok sometimes. So I'm trying to do this challenge so that I will show you guys whether this turmeric soap, does it work or it's a scam. So I'll show you. And then after applying my mask like that, before I took a bath, I melted my Vaseline. After melting my Vaseline, I added this ham serum. Hey guys, I don't know how to pronounce. I'll write it down on the screen here. And then I mixed it again with my tissue oil. And then I also added this Johnson baby oil in that Vaseline. And then make sure you mix it nicely. Mix it, guys, so that everything will mix well. Yeah, and then I'll use this Vaseline so that I'll have that glowing skin, girl. So yeah, that's it here. I left it to cool down. I'm applying it now. I'll be doing this, guys, for 2 weeks. I want to see whether it does work or it's a scam. If it is a scam, guys, I will let you know to run away with your life. So yeah, guys, thank you so much.